Welcome. Today we are talking about boiling frames. First of all, you need some PPE to keep you safe. We've got chemical resistant gloves. We've got a pair of goggles because washing soda when mixed with water is not very nice to skin or eyes. We've got a plain pair of gloves for when we're preparing frames to save our hands getting sticky with propolis or sticky with honey. We've got our washing soda that we need to add to our water, and we've got a brush for brushing frames. The frames we will be boiling have had their comb removed. They might have been through a solar wax extractor, they might have had the comb cut from the frame, or they might have been steamed. So there are a number of different methods of boiling frames. Some people might use what's called a Burko boiler. Some might use a gas ring with a metal container on top outside. This one that we're using today was previously a wall-mounted water boiler for tea and coffee, but it serves very nicely as a water boiler for our frames. Whichever water container you're using to boil your frames, you need to work out the best configuration of putting them in to get as many in as you possibly can. And because they're wood, they want to float, so we do need something to hold them down with. For my particular setup, I put a load of frames in and I spend some time getting half of the next batch ready, by which time these will be ready to turn, brush and put back in. I then go back to preparation, and by the time I've got the next lot ready, these will be ready to come out. Once you can see all the propolis and wax has been removed, you take your frames out and give them a slosh in some clean water. Once frames are cleaned, rinsed, they can then be stacked dry. Thank you for watching our How to Boil Frames video. Please follow us on social media for other content.